Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the console and preparing the controller. Make sure the batteries or internal charge are sufficient. Press the Xbox button to wake the system, then find the console sync button near the USB ports. Once done, remove any passive interference like other Bluetooth devices. If you plan wired pairing, plug a USB-C cable between controller and console now so you can skip wireless steps. Make sure the controller's power is on and responsive before moving to pairing. You'll choose wireless or wired pairing depending on preference. For wireless, press the console sync button, then hold the controller sync on the top until the Xbox button flashes rapidly. They will find each other and the light becomes steady. For wired, simply plug the USB-C cable and the controller connects immediately. This also updates firmware if needed. For Bluetooth on PC or phones, open the device's Bluetooth settings, select the controller when it appears, and confirm pairing. Make sure indicators show a steady connection. You finish by checking functionality and applying firmware updates if prompted. Open the Xbox Accessories app to test inputs and calibrate sticks. Once done, check that the controller's LED is solid and inputs respond in-game. If things go wrong, restart the console first, then repair the controller. Make sure the cable supports data if wired. If problems persist, replace batteries, try a different USB cable, or test the controller on another console to isolate hardware versus software issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.